Hi, this is Dr. Cynthia Clark, acupuncture physician and applied clinical nutritionist with Longevity Wellness in Sarasota, Florida, and I have something really exciting to tell you about. This is the Acupuncture for Heroes and Seniors Act, otherwise known as Federal H.R. 3849. It's being introduced by Congresswoman Judy Chu, and she has been an advocate of acupuncture for years and years and years. And she has also secured several co-sponsors for this bill. Here's what it does. It allows for veterans to get approved to have acupuncture much more easily. Right now they can do it, but it's a very long approval process. And it also gets acupuncture included in Medicare so that our seniors can have access to this. This is very important to me because my dad is both a senior and a vet, and he is doing wonderfully with the benefit of acupuncture and holistic medicine, and I would really like to share this with other veterans. So please join me in signing the petition for Acupuncture for Heroes and Seniors. There's a link down below. You can also get a paper copy to put in your clinic, which is what I'm going to do. It's a great way to get our clients motivated and to know that to let them know that we're working on getting acupuncture available for more of the public at large. Thank you very much for your time.